To use run is no more fun. If you also think this, so this video is just for you. Let's level up our writing by learning some synonyms for run. But before I take you any further, let me tell you that this channel is for you if you are interested in English phonics, English grammar, English spelling rules, English creative writing, and above all, how to teach all this stuff to your kids in multi-sensory ways. So consider subscribing to the channel, click the bell notification, and without any further ado, let's dive in. So here is our passage in which we have the repetition of run again and again because this is such a very common word. Let me read it to you. One sunny day in a meadow, an energetic rabbit named Whiskers decided to run through the flowery fields, leaving a trail of petals in his wake. Spotting a juicy carrot ahead, he ran eagerly, but suddenly a playful butterfly caught his eye, prompting him to run towards the fluttering friend. Seeing a field of daisies, he ran to gather a bouquet, then ran back to his burrow. With the flowers in tow, he ran through the meadow, his run echoing with joy, creating a whimsical spectacle that made the entire village smile. Did you see how many times we use the word ran or run? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this repetition is making our passage really weak. So to help our kids with this, or if we are writing something, we need to replace the word run or ran with its alternatives or synonyms. And if you don't know them, here you go. Run can be replaced by sprint, scurry, trot, barrel, bolt, scamper, rush, or dash. To see how to use these words in sentences, here are some sentences for you. Sprint. Sprint means to run at full speed. Sprint can be used as a noun or as a verb. First, let's see how we can use a sprint as a noun. Tom broke into a sprint once the whistle was blown. Here, a sprint is a noun because it is headed by an article, a sprint. Okay, it means a race. Second sentence is Tom was sprinting as a horse. It means Tom was running as a horse. He was running at his full speed, and we usually use a sprint for a short distance. Okay. Next we have trot. Trot is running that is faster than walk but slower than the proper run. Trot can also be used as a noun and as a verb. Let's see the first sentence here. Trot is a noun. After winning the race, I slowed my horse to a trot. While he was racing, he was sprinting, but now after the race, he is trotting, right? Players were trotting towards the field. Here, trotting is a verb. Next is bolt. Bolt means to run because of being frightened. For example, the robber bolted towards the exit when he saw the police cars arrive. So bolted here is a verb, the past of bolt, to run because of being frightened. Next is rush. Rush means to move quickly. Emma rushed to close the window when the rain started. Another word for run can be dash. To dash mean to run in great hurry. He dashed so he wouldn't be late to work. Another word can be scamper. Scamper can be used as a verb and as a noun. Scamper means to run with quick, light steps, especially through fear or excitement. We use the word scamper more with animals and kids. Okay, so animals and kids can scamper. Let's see the sentences. The squirrel scampered and hid in the tree when he saw the kids arrive. Here she is, scampering. Okay? In this sentence, scamper is a noun. I heard the scamper of kids in my backyard. It means somebody heard running of kids in the backyard, but running how? With light steps, especially through fear or excitement. Next is barrel. Barrel means to move so fast. Mrs. Jones barreled past us and went into her office angrily. Barrel, to move fast. Scurry. Scurry means to move hurriedly with short, quick steps. The example is the mischievous mouse scurried across the floor. Scurry or scurried means to run quickly with short steps. I hope you have got many synonyms of the word run and now see that if we use these synonyms in our passage, how our passage will change. Whiskers the rabbit decided to sprint through the flowery fields, leaving a trail of petals in his wake. Spotting a juicy carrot ahead, he trotted eagerly, but suddenly a playful butterfly caught his eye, prompting him to bolt towards the fluttering friend. Seeing a field of daisies, he rushed to gather a bouquet, then scurried back to his burrow. With the flowers in tow, he barreled through the meadow. His scamper echoed joyfully, creating a whimsical spectacle that made the village smile. Dun da da! Isn't the passage great now? Don't you feel that you have up-leveled your writing? It's certainly a better passage than the previous one because we have used many words that are advanced vocabulary and are the synonyms for run. So now it's your turn to try a passage. Replace the word run with its synonyms because to use run is no more fun. Hope you like this video. If yes, so please give it a thumbs up. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.